Hey, if you're spending hours creating PDFs and lead magnets and tools for your clients, and most of it is sitting in a Google Drive folder that nobody ever even opens, what if you could build something that your audience could actually use right inside of Claude in under 10 minutes and share it with a single link? That's exactly what Claude Artifacts are. If you're a coach who wants to create professional tools and grow your business without hiring a designer or tech team, then this video is for you. I'm Angelina, and I help coaches use Claude to build and run their businesses without a team. This is what I do every single day, and I'm here to show you exactly how. Here's what we're going to cover. By the end of this video, you'll know what a Claude artifact is. You'll see 5 real examples that coaches are using right now, and you'll know which one to build first in your business. Let's get into it. When you ask Claude to write you something, it's going to give you a text in the chat. That's useful, but a Claude artifact is different. It's fully built, interactive, and it lives inside Claude and can be shared with anyone via a link. Think of it like this. Instead of handing your client a PDF checklist that they have to download and print, you hand them a link to a live, branded, interactive checklist that they can use right on their phone. This is what one looks like inside of Claude. It's clean, professional, and Claude built it in just 2 minutes. Here's why this matters for your business. Your clients are overwhelmed with content. They don't need another PDF. What they need is something they can actually use, something that's interactive and feels like a real tool. Artifacts do exactly that. And because they live as a shareable link, you can drop them in an email, a school community, a landing page, or a social post. No download required. Here's the thing that most coaches are not realizing yet, is that artifacts are incredible lead magnets. Someone clicks the link, they use your tool, and then they see your name on it and they want more. That's how you build trust without a huge following. Let me show you 5 types of artifacts that coaches are building right now. So here's an example of one. It's called a cheat sheet. And this is going to give you the main concept that you're teaching. It would give you how do you organize your materials? A little pro tip. So it's just built out with things that are a little bit more interactive and make that content just a little more fun. This one is a build a checklist. So it allows you, this is a checklist artifact and it tracks your progress. So you say, these are the things I'm focused on. They can click the little details in here and then check mark them as they complete them. Another kind of artifact is a little mini course. And so this is designed with different lessons that you can put together for your users that just give a little concept. Another one is a workbook. So this is an interactive workbook that allows users to click through the pages, be able to select certain things that they're focused on. And then in the end, it will give you a different kind of output that you would like for your users to see. And then the last one is a companion guide. And so this just has little tabs that allow you to click through and be able to turn your content into that artifact. Now, if this is something that's interesting to you, I have a free school community where I list out all of these templates in the classroom. So on the classroom tab, it's called Grow with Claude Artifacts. So you click here, and then I have an explanation of what artifacts are, just like this video. And then there's some templates that you can grab. So there's the cheat sheet, the build a checklist. So this shows you the example. And then this shows you how you can download the checklist and use it in your Claude account. And so the lesson here will show you exactly how you can build out these tools. And if you want to join, it's totally free. AI Amplified Entrepreneur, we would love to have you there. So which one should you build first? Start with the one that solves the most urgent problem for your audience. So if they're always asking the same question over and over, then they get a cheat sheet. If they're stuck in the same spot in your program, give them a checklist. The goal is simple. Build something helpful, share it, and let people experience what you do. If you want to actually build one of these this week, I have a free 7-day Claude Artifacts challenge inside my SKOOL community. You'll build 5 real tools for your coaching business in 7 days. The link is in this description below, and it's completely free to join. I'd also love for you to subscribe to this channel and get more tips like this for using Claude in your business.